case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2009 case heard by the Tennessee Court of Appeals, Best Signs Inc. v. King focused on determining if a merchant entrusted with goods could transfer ownership to a third party involved in ordinary course of business. Chris and Donna Sandifer, owners of Best Signs, bought a truck from Bobby King for their signage business, and later entrusted it to him for repairs. However, King had not titled the vehicle in his name and sold it to Design Team while possessing it for repairs. This led to Best Signs filing a complaint against King, Design Team, and the city of Savannah. The trial court found Design Team to be a bona fide purchaser in the ordinary course of business and the rightful owner of the truck since Best Signs had entrusted it to King, a merchant dealing in goods of that kind, for repairs. To determine whether King had the authority to transfer truck ownership to Design Team, the court examined if Best Signs had indeed entrusted possession to King. It ultimately ruled in favor of Design Team, finding that Best Signs failed to prove the entrusted possession. As a result, the court confirmed Design Team as the rightful truck owner, requiring Best Signs and their surety to cover the expenses of the appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.